Hyundai full install. See how it goes. Enjoy. I've already pre-soaked the whole car before, so we could make cleaning and the video a little bit easier. I mean, I think everybody knows how to clean. I guess a basic prep of a vent. The other ones I have to do it right there in front of the tube. I hate touching film, but oh man, these guys are so small. If you do touch film, do the very best you can. Lick your fingers or clean them before, because our hands are always everywhere, touching a bunch of things, you know, from our pants, shorts, hair, anything, even the pouch. And it's gonna have some contaminants, and they will show as a speck or two or three clumped in a corner. So all right, one down. Okay, leave that there. This guy over here. All right. I didn't expect the sticker to be as old. It has a lot of contaminants. That brittle stuff, man. Alright. That's the only time we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do this guy here. Okay. Achieving some efficiencies with our PeelBoard. If you guys feel comfortable doing with this white scrubby, I would recommend just maybe the top portion, because that's where all the oil and whatever is making contact. But you're welcome to do the whole window. Anything that makes you a little bit more comfortable in your cleaning. I won't modify the way you clean. Okay. Even when you're trying to go a little bit faster and achieve efficiencies, all the steps really must be in there. Fast does not mean sloppy. Fast means you do all the steps just a little bit faster because you memorize them or because you have the right tools. In this case, this PeelBoard that is here allows me to do my work just a tad faster. You can do air peel, man. Air peel on this thing is like, wow. You can achieve a lot of cleanliness and speed and all that kind of stuff with this deal. Okay, where's my guy right here? Is this the guy? So this is the guy. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's for him. I just had him backwards. Really shouldn't have him like that. Alright. Man, that's what happens when you don't use the PeelBoard for the longest time. All right, drop it in there. Drop this guy in there. As I've always said, use plenty of slip, because these things, they don't forgive. All right, there you go. He's where I needed him to be. Good micro. Oh, and I removed all the gaskets before the video, of course, for the same reasoning, you know, the make it faster on the install. I want you guys to just follow some steps, I guess. You know, part of the instruction is just following, you know, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Okay. And when you remove a gasket, it really takes away the probabilities of fingers and all that kind of stuff. Because fingers, they won't be soaking up water from gaskets on the bottom and such. So that's the reason we really peel all the sweeps from the cars. This one happens to be pretty easy, that's why I'm recording it, but apply this on any difficult cars and such, and it'll be the same thing. Oh, there is a finger, the one that I didn't want. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. All right, and just like that, to the other one. Okay, because I haven't done this in such a long time, I have all my patterns backwards. Huh, okay, easy as that. Okay. We are in Texas, so this gentleman is going to take a legal sticker. So that's going to be part of the thing that I'm going to do here. Okay. Legal sticker. It's in here. This could be doubled as a promo thing, but more than anything, I always ask their permission if they want a legal sticker. If they say no, I won't install it. If they get a ticket, it's on them, not on me, because they have to sign that waiver. All right. Okay. To the people from Europe, South America, thank you for viewing, thanks for following, it really means a lot to me. Okay. Okay, got that guy nice and wet. All these windows kind of start from this corner and then just kind of shove them down with plenty of juice, obviously. I got this thing jammed. There you go. And never pull the film where it goes over. Never do that, because it really brings down contaminants. Always try and have it below and then do this and then raise them up to adjust them. That would perhaps be the most proper way to not get, you know, some people inbox me about top lip contamination. So many variables. I haven't seen a video, you need to show me. But doing this over brings dirt that might be here into your lip, and that's the problem right there. One of them, one of many. I think I'm waiting for some videos from people to inbox me. Gonna help them as soon as I receive them. I'll say this is going on or not or whatever, and that'll be that. I like to dry the top before I roll it up all the time. I don't have any water running down, because I don't like surprises when customers roll the window down and you see a bunch of fucking crap. It's from people just doing this, rolling it up, because if they're trying to do speed, that water that was in the ledge slowly seeps in. So when you roll it down, you see, you know, little dirts and all that kind of stuff. And I hate that, man. I really do. So just finish it off in that fashion, and you shouldn't be seeing any, you know, your top should be improved a lot, like look real clean. Just try it. It won't hurt nothing at all. Just try it. What I'm gonna do, whether it might have a little bit of moisture on the bottom, I'm gonna leave it alone because fidgeting with the finger a long time, if there is one, right now there's none, but it'll come up if there's moisture, depending if there's a lot of humidity, cold, hot, air con, all those kind of things, right? Okay, I gotta adjust those two patterns. They're backwards. Well, to me they're backward. They seem like normal, but so when you're bottom loading, the way you grab them and the way they are, they're not in position right. So get my guy here. What the hell? Yeah, here you go. Okay. Do this number right here. There you go. Okay. Bring my guy real quick. And it is Monday. It's my day off, but I'm always a sucker for work. I'm doing computer work or videos, and people call me, hey man, are you available? Yeah, why not? Just bring cash, because I don't have none of my computer systems or credit card, none of that stuff is open. So works out for everybody, you know. Works out for the videos, customers, for me, hunting money. All right. Okay, as I mentioned, the top lip will be the only one that might have a little bit of oils from the top, not the bottom section. It's good enough for me. Okay. Always help yourself out by looking when you're squeegeeing if there is a contaminant. When I was squeegeeing, I saw a little piece of lint, and I want to make sure it's rolled out with the water when I do this. And lint comes from everywhere, from my shirt or the environment. I don't know from where, from my PeelBoard. So brush all the contaminants. Brush all the contaminants to the bottom. All right. Oh man. Trying to do a video for efficiencies and I'm getting everything backwards. All right, we're good, we're good. All right. Plenty of juice. There you go. All right, make sure it doesn't break. It breaks, it'll show in the film as a nice badass kink, and I hate that. Customers do too. Like, that ain't going away. Nope, it's not. Okay. You hear all that squealing? It's just that detergent that I used to clean the window leaves that window real squeaky clean, so make sure you always put a lot of slip back in your window, because then it'll be hard to apply. I mean, yeah, harder to slip than to apply. If this will be a two-stage window, the squeegeeing process will be very different, but it's not. So see, that's the reason for drying the lip, because all these little fingers that want to come up, they won't come up anymore. Okay, done there. Swiped. Top. We're good. That's right. Yep. It's right. These cars have a curtain here. You can push, push it back and release the sweep real easy. I know all this pulling and stuff, sometimes people are like, it doesn't want to do that. Well, it will. Just do under and a little bit and it will. Anyway, these are the easiest door panels to remove anyway if you mess something up and you got to fix it. But I'm just saying that you won't mess anything up. It's just another day at the office removing sweeps. It's pretty easy. Nothing to be alarmed at all times. It's never easy doing this drop, but after you do several, it'll become second nature. Well, several thousands actually. Okay. Okay. There's a lot of cleanliness achieved by bottom loading. I really would encourage you, even if you hate it or you're a two-stager, try it out one of these days. You have nothing to lose. You can always go back.